siding. Let me ask you, what do you think about the quality of the work?
On time and everything. It's going to be happy.
That's fantastic. And let me ask you, what did you think? I know you were on a budget. What did you think about the price? Did we work with you?
I had 3 contractors.
Siding and carpentry work at John's house from Livingston. And John, basically, we want to say, what do you think about the job that we just completed?
Well, they're excellent work. This is the second time Bruce and his crew worked here. They resided the whole house, and I was very pleased. And when I needed this extra work done, I decided to quote Bruce firsthand, not even getting any other proposals.
Lumber, what we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom, consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites.
Action. I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction Service?
Very professional. They took their time. Attention to detail was amazing. The work was very intricate, and we love the fact that they paid attention to detail and really got the job done exactly the way we wanted. Great price.
Great. And would you recommend them to family and friends?
See, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install it.
We just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
Between the blocks.